Do you like to eat chole? I know you would say many Indians love to eat chole, chole puri, chole bhature, but have you ever tried chole that's prepared without oil? Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is your friend Nisha Sinha, and those who are new, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share how to prepare chole without oil, and that too without compromising on its taste. Sounds weird, but that's a fact. So let's go to the kitchen and see what all we are going to need to prepare chole without oil. Let's go. Ingredients are right here. So I have taken overnight soaked chickpeas, the choles, and chopped onions, slit chilies, cut tomatoes, cardamom pods, close to 3 to 4 you can take, coconut tomato to make the paste, and chopped coriander. These are the ingredients that we would be using along with some dry masalas. I have washed and kept the chickpeas here. We need to boil them. I'm going to boil it in a cooker. To boil the chickpeas, I'm adding 1.5 glass of water, cardamom pods, and some salt. We'll close the lid and set it for 7 to 8 whistles. Chickpeas are cooked now. Now time to make the chole masala. To make the chole masala, we are going to add cumin seeds, some asafoetida, we call it hing, dry roasted, now time to add green chilies. I'm gonna make it spicy. You can adjust it according to your spice tolerance. Adding in chopped onions and need to saute them. Now we'll add tomatoes and saute them again. Time to add some salt. We'll add all the masalas, turmeric powder, cumin powder, black pepper powder, and mix it well. At the end, we'll just add some water and allow it to boil. We'll add red chili powder for color. Masala is ready. We'll turn off the flame and keep it aside. We have the chickpeas here. Now we'll add the masala, chole masala in the cooker. And give it a nice mix. Close the lid and set it on flame for 2 to 3 whistles. Chole is almost ready. Now the final touch, we'll add the coconut and tomato paste and give it a nice mix so that the paste mixes well with the chole. Final touch would be adding in the chopped coriander. Once done, we'll mix it well and close the lid and keep it aside for 5 to 10 minutes. Chole is ready. Time to serve our chatpate desi chole, oil-free chole. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye-bye.